This is Brian Ghilliotti. I am in the Deep River area in the vicinity of the Bushy Hill Nature Preserve. Once again, I'm looking for lithic alignments, and on this small hillock here, the first thing I've noticed is this alignment of three stones here. This pair of stones seems to have a 180-360 azimuth linear relationship. If I remember correctly, the linear relationship between this stone and the stone in the distance over there is 210 degrees, and the linear azimuth relationship between this stone and that stone is 240 degrees. It's definitely an unusual stone. It sticks out like a sore thumb. This evidence is very obvious evidence of expanding ice-based weathering and splitting of this rock. It's also very triangular. And I wonder if it's actually been propped up. You can make arguments for and against that. Nonetheless, Native Americans probably see it as very sacred, and they definitely would recognize it as something unusual, probably attach a sacred significance to it. We go down here, I've forgotten the azimuth relationship between the next group of stones and the first group of stones. I'll take it again and put it into video notes. But we come down here, and we see a three boulder alignment system, which is at 210, 330 degrees. I'm sorry, 210, 30 degrees. There's a little gap here. And you may be able to see the next, oh, probably not, but I'm going to walk toward it. Here we have a 150, 330 degree relationship. I'll walk toward it. go. There's a lot going on here. It's on a small hill. I've been walking for a while and haven't really seen anything, just a lot of swamp, semi-swampy glacial fields. And then there is a relationship I've forgotten with that stone over there. But it is part of the 210 30-degree alignment system, 3 boulder alignment system. See over there? And then there's this one that makes up the 3rd stone of this system. Finally, perhaps should have taken an azimuth reading from here, but the final feature, all of this is on Hillock. We keep going. And the first thing I notice looks like a stone circle of sorts, or some type of enclosure. And it's on a hillock, another hillock. The saddle of land right there separates the 3 boulder system that I initially started this video recording. So anyways, 1st stone, 2nd stone, 3rd stone, the big stone, which to me qualifies as a perch stone. And look at the strange curvatures and the edge of the stone. Could be quarrying, I don't know. I know there was quarrying here. Not in this exact spot, but a little while back. Almost looks like it's a face smiling at you. Then there's this stone and this stone. This makes up the circle. And if we turn around, we can see that sharp pointed stone way in the distance. I'll walk back to it. If I remember correctly, the azimuth relationship between the perch stone and prudential type of rock is again 210-30 linear azimuth relationship, but I will confirm that. definitely see two systems here, each on different hills. There we go. Look at that. Is that the beginnings of a ceremonial cairn? Maybe just weathering? I don't know. There we go. Notice how it's flat. One side. Alright, so I better call it quits with this video.